Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to draw an afro hair. And for this particular tutorial I'm working with an animated character. Now let's get into it. This drawing is done in all graphite pencil. And for the hair parts which is dark, I'm going to be using a darker shade of graphite pencil to lay the base for the hair. Now I'll be using the Faber-Castell 9006B graphite pencil to lay the base of the hair. Now a very common mistake that many beginner artists make is that they focus so much on the details and they do not pay attention to the basics. Now for something that's as detailed as an afro hair, the first thing you need to do is to simplify everything, and that's by breaking it down into lights and shadows, which is what I'm doing right now. For this particular reference, the light is hitting the subject from two different angles, which is from the left side and the right side. And so the shadow part of the drawing is mostly in the middle. And that's why I'm shading that part first, so I'll have something to build on by the time I'm doing the highlight part of the hair. Now after laying the base for the shadow part of the hair, I'm going over it again using the scribbling method, so I'll have a darker tone. And this is what I'm going to do until I'm satisfied with the tone that I have of the shadow, until it's matching, or very close to what's in the reference picture. And right now I'm laying a base for the highlights part on the right side. Now I'll be going over the shadows again, but this time I'm using the 8B graphite pencil so as to get a darker result. You can see the difference between the 8B going over it and the 6B layer that was on it before. It's giving me a darker result, which is quite close to what I have in my reference picture. Now that I'm done with the shadows, I'm moving on to the lighter part of the hair. That's the right side of the afro hair. Now I'm doing the scribbling method again over it, but this time, I'm going lighter because that part of the hair is not as dark as the parts that I just finished. So right now I'm laying a base for the left part of the hair, after which I'm going to go over it using the same technique that I used for the right part, which is scribbling over it in a light way so that it'll have some form by the time I'm done. So I'm going to go over the left side of the hair and I'm going to go over the right side of the hair. Now I'm wrapping up this part of the hair. Well, basically I'm wrapping up the entire hair. And there you have it guys, a basic form of afro hair.